Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to create an event on Squarespace. Let's begin. Creating an event on Squarespace is a great way to promote gatherings, webinars, workshops, or other special occasions. Once you are logged into your account, I want you to click the Get Started option because from here we are going to set up an event page and manage the event details. Now from here, you might want to put in the search for your site topic, and that's going to be event, if you can find it. For example, this is going to be corporate events. Okay. I'm going to click on the next button here. Now, it's up to you. Where do you want to choose the options? Collect donations, build community, get appointments, sell products, promote an event or project. I'm going to click on next. And from here, you can choose the designer templates. You can choose from a curated set of professionally designed website templates, or if you wanted to build a custom website guided by Squarespace Blueprint AI. But of course, I'm going to choose the first option. And from here, it's up to you. Where do you want to choose from? Like celebrate with us, singular, and coming soon. Maybe I am going to choose the first option. And from here, you can start with this basic design. You can choose the color preset or palette depending on your brand identity. But for now, I'm happy with this one, the RSVP. Start with a design. And from here, wait for it to load. It's starting for you here in Squarespace. And creating an event here offers several advantages for businesses, organizations, and individuals looking to promote events effectively online. Now, from here, all you have to do is put in the Squarespace site for this specific event. I'm gonna click on continue, and from here, you have everything you need to here on the Squarespace. Just click on continue, and you can drive traffic to your website. I'm gonna click on get started, and from here, you might want to change the background image later, but I'm not going to do that right now. Instead, what I'm going to do is hover to the pages. Okay, so basically this is going to be the event website. On the pages, if you click on the not link, you see there's going to be an event option here wherein you can showcase upcoming events. All right. Now, you can add events, you can highlight individual events, or show a calendar of upcoming events, because each event has its own detailed post to share additional event related details. If you want to add event here, all right, you can choose from this video. You can choose this, you can choose that, you can also choose this one. I'm going to choose this one for now, the upcoming event. On this, I'm going to, for example, I'm going to edit some information for this specific event. You have the upcoming event 1 right here. Okay. You have event 2, event 3, event 4, and event 5. But what I'm going to do here is click on the gear icon settings, because in the event list settings, you can put in the page title. For example, this is going to be something like this. You have the option to enable page. You can add a password, or you can set as homepage. All right. On the SEO, if you want to improve your ranking in search results for this specific event so that the it can be visible on the Google searches, you might want to do that, but that's for advanced settings. We also have a tutorial about improving your SEO here on Squarespace that you might want to check out here on our Deep Laugh channel. I'm going to add some description here if I wanted. I'm not going to hide a page from search results. You can add a social image if you wanted. I'm going to add this into here. Wait for it to load. And after that, there's going to be an option for the advanced. Just wait for it. So this is going to be the social image. Okay. On the advanced, you can manage categories if you wanted. You can manage tags. And of course, you can have the page header code injection. All right, to enhance specific parts of the event page. After doing all of these, you might want to click on save. Now, the next is we're going to click on this specific button here that says add an event. All right. Just wait for it to load. Now it's being setting up for you. You have all this under your event title, date and time. So it's up to you. For example, it's going to be September 30th. So you can set up the time. For example, how about and the event ends around this time. Click on save, back, and the location. All right, so you can put in the address if you wanted. Go back and click on save. All right. Of course, from here you can edit the site header and put in as much as edit site logo. If you click on this one, I'm going to add a logo here. Going to select from library. The logo that I'm going to choose is going to be from right. After that, I'm going to add an element here, maybe like a like for example, height is going to be large. Colors is going to be like darkest. You see that? Edit site footer. For example, this is going to be Jeep Labs. You can be creative as you want. All right. After doing so, all you have to do is click on save. And if you wanted to publish, you can do that, or you can schedule. If you want to publish that, you're welcome to do so, right? But you want to make sure that it's optimized for the desktop view and the mobile view. And by creating events on Squarespace, you can effectively organize, promote, and manage both small and large-scale events while maintaining a cohesive brand presence across all platforms. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.